morning, Vande Mataram, Jai Bharat, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. My name is Milan Dolaria. In this video, we start our new exercise 5.3. Okay, so just be ready, open your mind, let's start it. First of all, read the question number 1. Here, in question number 1, find the sum of the following APs. Find the sum of the following APs, and first question is 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. Okay, that means we need to find the addition of first 10 terms of this AP. Okay, we need to find the sum, that means addition of first 10 terms of this AP. In previous exercise 5.2, we just find the terms, nth term, right? That means third term, 17th term, 31st term. So if we want to find the term, so we can use the formula a plus n minus 1d. Okay, if we want to find the 25th term, so a25. So by using this formula, you can find the terms, nth term. But here we need to find the sum of n term. If we want to find the sum, so we need to use the Sn. Okay, we need to use the formula of Sn. Sn, S that means sum of nth term. Okay, two formulas we have: n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, and second one is n by 2, a plus an. If we know the last term, then we can use this formula. If we do not know the last term, then we need to use this formula, n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so here in exercise 5.3, we need to find the addition of terms. So if we want to find the addition of terms, so we need to use the formula of Sn. Okay, previously we are using an in exercise 5.2 because we need to find the term, nth term. Here we need to find the sum of nth term, so we use this formula. Okay, so now let's start it with question number 1. So first of all, read the question number 1. Here 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. That means we need to find the addition of first 10 terms. Okay, so first of all, we want the value of a, right? A, that means first term. So here our first term is 2. Then we want common difference d. Common difference d, second term minus first term. Right? Now second term is 7. First term is 2. 7 minus 2, 5. So our first term a is equals to 2. Common difference d is equals to 5. And n is equals to 10. Because we want the addition of 10 terms. Right? So n is equals to 10. Now we need to find the sum of 10 terms. So we need to use the formula of Sn. So Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Here we do not know the last term, that means an. So we need to use this formula. Okay. Now put the value here. N is 10. So S 10 is equals to, in place of n we need to put 10. So 10 by 2. Now here 2 multiply a. A is also 2. So in bracket 2 plus n. In place of n we need to put 10. So 10 minus 1 into d. D is 5. So multiply 5. Now here we know that 10 by 2 it is 5. Here 2 2s are 4. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 multiply 5, 45. Right? Now 5 multiply 45 plus 4, 49. And 49 5s are, it's a 245. Right? So here our answer of S10 is 245. So in this way we can find the addition. Okay, now same thing we need to use here. Here our AP is minus 37, minus 23, minus 29, and we need to find the addition up to 12 terms. Okay, so here our first term A is equals to minus 37. Common difference D is equals to second term minus first term. Here our second term is minus 33. Now this minus sign is as per the formula, and our first term itself, it has the negative sign, so we need to write in the bracket. So now minus 33, now minus minus plus 37, and finally plus minus minus 37 minus 33, 4. Big number 37 have positive sign, so positive 4. Okay, and we need to find the addition up to 12 terms. So our n is equals to 12. Done. Now we need to use the formula of Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now n, in place of n we need to put 12. So in place of n, 12, 12 by 2. Now 2a, that means 2 multiply, so 2 multiply in bracket minus 37 plus n minus 1. In place of n, put the 12 minus 1 into d, and our d is 4. Okay, so now as 12 is equal to, now we can cut here, 2 6 are 12, so here 6. Now in bracket minus 37 into 2, minus 74 plus 12 minus 1, 11, 11 into 4, 44. So finally plus minus minus 74 minus 44, it's a 30. Big number 74 have negative sign, so negative sign, and 6 into 30 minus 180. Okay, so here addition of first 12 terms is equals to minus 180. Okay, now our third question, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 up to 100 terms, up to 100 terms. So now our first term A is equals to 0.6. After that, common difference B. Second term minus first term, second term 1.7 minus first term 0.6. So 1.7 minus 0.6, it is 1.1, right? And our number of terms is 100, because here we need to find the addition of first 100 terms. So now formula of Sn, n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Now put the value of a, n and d. So as in place of n 100, as 100, in place of n 100, so 100 by 2. Now 2a, so 2 multiply a is 0.6 plus n minus 1, so in place of n 100, so 100 minus 1 into d, common difference d is 1.1. Okay, now 100 by 2, it is 50. 0.6 into 2, 1.2 plus 100 minus 1, 99. 99 into 1.1. 100 minus 1, 99. 99 into 1.1. So 9 plus 9, 8, 1 0 and 1 point. So 108.9. Now find the addition. So here 9 plus 2, 11, right? And 109 plus 1, 110. Now finally 5 ones are 5, 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So our answer of S100 is 5505. Okay, so this is the addition of first 100 terms of this AP. Okay, now our fourth question. Here we have 1 by 50, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, and we need to find the addition up to 11 terms. Okay, we need to find the addition of 11 terms. So here our first term A, it is 1 by 15, common difference D, second term minus first term. Second term 1 by 12, first term 1 by 15. Now here we need to take the LCM because denominator is not same, right? So LCM of 12 and 15, it is 60 because 12 5s are 60 and 15 4s are 60, right? So now we want the denominator 60. So how we can convert 12 into 60? So 12 5s are, right? 12 5s are. So same thing we need to apply in numerator. 5 1s are 5. Done. 12 5s are 60. So 5 1s are 5. Now same thing here. 15 4s are 60. Same thing we need to apply in numerator. 4 1s are 4. So this is the LCM. Now 5 minus 4, 1 by 60, and we need to find the addition of 11 terms. So n is equals to 11. Now Sn, n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now put the value here. So s in place of n, put the 11 here. 11 by 2. Now 2a. So 2 multiply a is 1 by 15 plus n minus 1. And right now we have 11. So 11 minus 1 into d, 1 by 60. Okay. Now here 11 by 2. Now here 2 1s are 2. Divide by 15, right? Numerator with numerator, 2 1s are 2, denominator 15 as it is. Now here 11 minus 1, 10, and here we have 1 by 60, so 10 6s are. Just put it as it is, because here we need to take the LCM, right? So you can easily convert 15 into 60. 15 4s are 60, right? So 11 by 2 remains as it is. Here we are taking the LCM 60. So how we can convert 15 into 60? So multiply 4 and divide 4, right? 15 4s are 60. Now 4 2s are 8. Here 10 1s are 10 because we already have the denominator 60, right? Now 10 plus 8, 80 divided by 60. You can cut this. 2 9s are 80, and here 20 into 3, and we can cut this. 3 3s are 9. So finally in numerator 11 into 3, 33 divided by 20. Okay, 33 divided by 20. So this is the addition of first 11 terms of this array. Okay, first of all we need to find a, d and n from the AP. Then we need to use the formula of Sn, n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, then put the value of a, d and n, you will get the answer of Sn. Okay, so in this way we need to find the answer. So students, if you have any doubt in this question, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Thank you.